Hello, welcome to another review. This is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds. Do you live in West Virginia and love seeing birds? Are you tired of reading bird books or bird coloring books and want to actually hear how a bird chirps so that you can easily identify a bird by the sound it makes? If you're looking for an audio CD of birds, then you're definitely on the right website. We would like you to know about the Birds West Virginia audio CD. This is an audio CD by Stan Tequila, which will teach you how to identify birds in your state by the sound and chirp birds make. The package that you will be getting includes 2 audio CDs, which is made from highest quality digital recordings and features an approximately 120 minutes of bird calls. Now you can be a bird master in just 2 hours. This item is a must-have for any bird and nature lover. This is great for kids, the library, schools, or collection. This product accompanies the Birds of West Virginia field guide, so better grab it today. You can have the Birds West Virginia audio CD today at a very affordable price, and see to it that you can broaden your knowledge about the birds in West Virginia. Until next time, this is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds.